Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to set Java Home and Java Path on Windows 10. Double-click My Computer. Find the location of the Java installation directory. Find last updated version. Copy the path. Right-click My Computer, Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables. Create new user variable. Variable name is Java_Home. Paste the copied folder location. Click OK. Click OK. Open My Computer. Find the Java updated version. Copy the folder path up to bin directory. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables. Click Path under System Variables. Click Edit. Click New. Right-click, Paste. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Type CMD in search bar. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.